Do you want to finish jobs over 3 times faster than what you're currently doing? Leviton's Lever Edge with our color-coded spring-loaded levers allow you to do just that. They're built for speed, and let me show you how they work. On a traditional wiring device, to connect it, there's a lot of steps involved. You possibly have to hook the conductor, you have to torque down on the screws, and if something's wrong, that's a lot to undo to fix the problem. Imagine doing this on the entire house. That takes time. Let me show you why Leviton's Lever Edge is different. There are no screws and no tools required for connecting your conductors. There's color-coded levers, so you can easily see which conductors go where. And there is a rapid, screwless connection even for ground. All 15-amp Leviton Lever Edge products except number 12 and number 14 gauge solid and stranded copper wire. And once you connect the conductor, there's an audible click to know that you have a secure connection. Let me show you just how fast and easy it is to use a Leviton Lever Edge device. And that's how Leviton's Lever Edge saves you time. Fewer tools, fewer steps, fewer callbacks, happier customers. The future of wiring is here. Lever Edge makes installation as easy as push, click, done. Click the link or watch our next video to start saving time today.